He'll give it back to his goalie, Reimer. Oh, my radio's going off! Stop the game! What is this? Don't even know what this is.
The following is a
Flash flood warning.
National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a flash flood warning for southern Jackson County in east central Iowa, Clinton County in east central Iowa until 9 p.m. At 3:06 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain was falling across the area. Up to 2 to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expect flooding of creeks, streams, and roadways near these streams. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Clinton, Maquoketa, DeWitt, Comanche, Fulton, Preston, Albany, Wheatland, Grand Mound, Cebulla, Delmer, Lost Nation, Miles, Calamus, Charlotte, McAllenland, Low Moor, Wilton, Monmouth, and Toronto. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. This includes the following streams and drainages: Williams Creek, Pumpkin Creek, North Branch Elk River, Deer Creek, Crystal Creek, Honey Creek, Cattail Creek, Mill Creek, Plum Creek, Brookside Creek, Prairie Creek, Barber Creek, Deep Creek, Negro Creek, Brophy Creek, Mississippi River, Lost Creek, Rock Creek, Watsapinacon River, Elwood Creek, Copper Creek, Cedar Creek, Union Creek, Willow Creek, Ames Creek, Beaver Creek, Cherry Creek, Sugar Creek, Sodas Creek, and the Maquoketa River. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Jeez, Noah.